In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find Exness account password. First, it's important to note that for security reasons, you cannot view your existing Exness password. This is a common practice among financial platforms to protect your sensitive information. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, you can easily reset it. Exness does not display or email your current password, which is a safeguard to keep your account secure. So let's dive into the steps to reset your password. To begin, you will need to open the Exness sign-in page. This is the gateway to accessing your Exness account. You can find this page by searching for Exness in your browser or by entering the URL directly. Once the page loads, you will see the sign-in box, which is where you typically enter your credentials. This page is designed to keep everything clear and straightforward, ensuring that users can navigate easily. Next, look for the option that says, "I forgot my password." It is usually located below the sign-in fields. Clicking this link will direct you to the password recovery process. This step is crucial because it initiates the necessary steps to regain access to your account. By following this path, you can reset your password securely without compromising your account's safety. Now you will be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Exness account. Make sure to input the correct email, as this is where the password reset instructions will be sent. Accuracy is key here to avoid any delays in the process. If you have multiple email accounts, double-check that you are using the one linked to your Exness account. This step ensures that you receive the necessary information to reset your password. After entering your email, you will need to complete the required verification. This might include entering a security code sent to your email or using two-factor authentication if you have it enabled. This verification process adds an extra layer of security, ensuring that only you can access your account. It is crucial to complete this step as it protects your account from unauthorized access. Once you've completed the verification, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that is difficult to guess but easy for you to remember. It's advisable to use a mix of letters, numbers, and special characters to enhance security. After creating your new password, you will need to confirm it by entering it again in the designated field. This double check helps to prevent any typing errors, ensuring that your new password is set correctly. Finally, sign in using your new password. Navigate back to the Exness sign-in page and enter your email and the new password you just created. If everything is entered correctly, you should now have access to your personal area. This step is important because it confirms that the password reset was successful and that you can continue managing your account without any issues. As a note, remember that Exness uses different passwords for your personal area, trading account, and read-only access. If you've forgotten your trading password, you will need to sign into your personal area first. From there, open the My Account section, click the three-dot menu next to your trading account, and select Change Trading Password. This ensures that you maintain control over all aspects of your account. With these steps completed, you should be well on your way to managing your Exness account securely. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to Exness support for assistance. They are there to help you navigate any challenges you may face.